Hello, I'm Sheri Barbera, how to make YouTube shorts for business. So what is this short? A short is a video that is 15 to 60 seconds long. It's found on YouTube's homepage or on the short shelf or when you search YouTube shorts in YouTube. It can also be found on your channel's homepage, and if your subscribers have the What to Watch Next feature enabled, they'll see your shorts as well. How do you make a shorts business video? First thing you want to do is choose one topic that works in less than 60 seconds. You're going to record vertically or you can record square. Vertically, it needs to be 1080 by 1920 pixels. The length of the video is 15 seconds to 58 seconds. Now, I know I said 60 seconds, but the reason for that is because YouTube itself adds an additional second or two to your videos when you upload. To make your short pop, you want to add text, you want to add B-roll, you want to add voiceover, you want to add music, and at the end, a call to action. Shorts are basically seen on a phone. Your title shouldn't be more than 52 characters. When you're making a regular YouTube video, it can be up to 70 characters, but when you are doing a short, you don't want it to be more than 52 characters because that's all that's going to show up on your phone. So anything you add beyond that is not going to show up on your phone. Your title needs to include the hashtag shorts in it. You could put it in your description and not put it in the title, but I think it just makes a lot more sense to put it in the title. The way you upload is you just upload to YouTube the way you would typically upload to YouTube from your computer, and then you add a description. You add your thumbnail, add to a playlist, add your tags, and then click save. It's just like any other video. Think of it just exactly the same way. I'm Sheri Barbera. This is zazoome, YouTube for Business. Subscribe if you haven't already, like this video if you like it, and share it with someone who needs to know about it, and have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video.